Hello, my name is Carmen from Murray, and I'm taking a residential wiring class at City College of San Francisco with one of the best teachers. Well, we have a lot of good teachers and great teachers at CCSF. Well, I'm here today to show you or to talk to you about wires, mainly about two wires. And I'd like to ask you, this is my first video on YouTube, so I'm a novice here, so please forgive me if I make a mistake. So here we have two wires. Well, first of all, let's see what a wire is. And a wire is made of a single solid strand of metal, and for electrical purposes, for residential wiring, this wire is made out of copper. So one of these is a wire. You see here, this one is PO, and this mainly is copper, and this is a wire. Here we have 1, 2, and 3 wires. Okay, well, and these wires are sized according to American wire gauge, which is standard in America to size the wires. It stands. It has an acronym AWG. Okay, well, that's what a wire is. It's a single strand of metal, in this case copper. And the other thing that I want to tell you about these wires is that they come in different sizes, and they are rated, for example, a number 14 wire, also called 14 gauge. And this wire carries 15 amps, and that's amperage. I'll explain later. Actually in another video, because I just want to show you these two wires. Now we have another wire, and it's called 12. It's a number 12 wire, and this wire carries 20 amps. And I like to, and then we have another wire that is a 10 wire, and it carries 30 amps. So you see, 14 carried 15 amps, 12 carried 20 amps, and the 10 carried 30 amps. So as you see, I like you to notice that the smaller the number of the wire, the more amperage it carries. And this is important because later on you want to use the correct wiring for your outlets, etc. Okay, before we go into more about talking about the wires, I want to talk to you about the cable, what a cable is, and an electrical cable. First of all, a cable is 2 or more wires wrapped together in plastic or metal sheeting. And look at this. This is a cable, and this cable has 1, 2, and 3 wires, and one of them is a black wire. This is the hot wire. This other one that is not wrapped, it was wrapped with this paper. This is the ground wire, and the white wire is the neutral wire, and it has 3. So now normally this number comes here and is written. Now this other wire, this other cable I should say, has 4 wires. You see here, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. And do you see how they are wrapped around? This wrapping is called insulation, and it's done for a purpose so they don't clash together. Then